Dax79 reviews here, sub-channel to Dax79, where I'm going to review stuff. And I have been getting a few samples from places to review. So here we go. We're going to dive into an Amazon freebie here and to see what I think of it. Now, it's arrived in this little card sleeve. Once again, I love these little sleeves because there's less chance of somebody stealing your property. I mean, you can tell because that is the only way really into them. Right, let's have a look. Never know what I'm going to expect. Sweet. Here we have some USB C L-shaped adapters. Now, I got these because of my laptop. Now I have an Asus ZenBook Pro. The thing about the Pro is it doesn't have a lot of USB ports, etc. I've been having issues plugging it. I've got an adapter that I plug into it to plug other things in, but the vents on the side of the computer are sort of the same size as the ports, and you keep missing them and stuff. I'll show you. So first off, we'll just look at this. So here we go. It's come in this little packaging. Great thing about this is, you know that you're going to get a good little product when it comes all wrapped up nice. It's when you open up an envelope and everything falls out. So it's from, here's the name of the company here. Don't ask me to pronounce it. I have no idea how to do it. So let's see what we've got. Right. Alright, so it's extremely hard to get into, which is good. Let's split this open. Once again, remember, if you're ever using knives and stuff, always be careful of where cables are. You know, if they're really, really, really small, and the male side has got a little cover on it, pop it off. So there we go. If you have a little look at that. And look at this. 40 gigabit speed. 40 gigabytes. That's nice, isn't it? That is a nice little. Do you know what? Look at the finishing on it. You got this lovely. Do you know what that looks? Do you know? 'Cause I'm one of these people, you see, where I want things to look nice and pretty and beautiful when it comes to my technology in particular. That's very nice, isn't it? And there's two of them in the pack. Do we have the second one there? Are they both 40 gigabit? Let's have a look. There we go. Now I've got two in the pack, which is perfect because let me get my laptop and I'll show you. My laptop is one of the Asus ZenBook Pro 2. But as you can see, the Asus has got the silver and the gunmetal, and these are very much the similar colour. Here's the side of an Asus ZenBook. We're very limited here. So if these both fit next to each other, this is what I want. Because I can never find them. I keep plugging things into my vents, which is going to damage everything. So if these fit nicely next to each other. Oh, look at that. Hey? That looks really nice. And now, instead of having to find them down the side and plug in, I've just got them here. So you can always see I've got like minor scratches here from where I've missed when I've been plugging things in. See, I've got a card reader here. So if I plug that in, remember to put your finger underneath the. That's so much more. So I want to plug in my. To me, I find that much more. Yeah, much better. Does my laptop still open? Block all my lights. And let's find out if these little things on the side work. So first off, So here I've got my Sony headphones. Let's see if it's a good enough connection. Just get them charging. Red light on, heard the ding ding. And then here I'll take this Hello Kitty and I'll plug that in there. Hear the bidding. Perfect. Everything works. So they look correct. Yes, excellent. So now if I was to then simply, so I'm actually going to leave them in there because I'd rather damage these ports here that I can replace than the ports that are in it, unless I have some heavy damage that then ruins the whole thing. But with the ZenBook book in particular, they're pretty much flush now. So, and I think they look nice. That's the thing as well. I'm a sucker for the little details. Some people think that I'm too fussy over things, but having 40 gigabits written that way, my laptop's actually going to be living this way, so it's going to be the writing's going to be upside down. I'm the only person who's going to get angry with that. They are beautiful. The little fine touches of the way that the silver goes around the gunmetal, I thought it was, but it's got a slight purple tint, like RoboCop. It has that RoboCop effect. So they will be living on my laptop now forever. I will update this video and any other videos in the description below. If things start to go wrong, I'll start dating the times that they go wrong, so we know how long things last. So for now, that's two L-shaped USB C adapters on the side of my laptop. They look great. It's a fantastic product, and they're nice and cheap. That's the thing as well. They're a great price. I'll just drop the price in there for you right now, or there for you right now, or there for you right now, or there. They're fantastic for the price. So if you're looking for an L-shaped adapter, and especially if you've got an Asus ZenBook like myself, they fit on it, they look beautiful, and I think they're going to do their job for a long, long time. Dax79 Reviews, out.